Alright guys, we're at Walmart. This is aisle 7. Got Sensory FX ASMR 2-part killer case. What is this? Mini brands.
Wow.
Series 4 convenience store.
Series 4 convenience store?
Yeah, food mini brands, mini food court. Mini brands
some
Disney
cool stuff
store.
here.
Yeah. Got Wines World thing. Mini brand series 4. Pet rescue. Sensory sushi.
Sensory sushi.
Yeah, this is what it is.
Ooh.
Right here. ASMR recorder cube. Look at this thing.
That's awesome. Okay, so nothing else from Walmart.
Here are the sugar bars. This is what we're looking for. Here's the sugar bars. Minis and minis. The thing is, you can see one of the minis, so you'll be able to see if it's like a duplicate or not. Look at those cool looking fidget cubes. These kind of fidget cubes are only at Walmart. And Neato, Groovy Glob, and Shaggy Neato Groovy Glob, and World's Smallest. Right next to more sugar bars. There's Toxic Waste. Now hold on, just put this here. I want to get this strawberry syrup on. Ooh, there's Neato Cool Cats. Wow. It is World's Smallest collectible toys. But this. Sensory FX ASMR balls. Just pushing. Keyboard. Slide and puzzle. Roll and whistle. Maze. Quickie. Domino joystick. And level thing. And then you use Sensory FX fidget tapes. There's buttons, illusion, rewind, gears, maze dial, gel, and water motion. The water motion tape is real. Ooh, ASMR fidget watches. So cool. Button, gear, shuttle, zip, maze, and puzzle. It seems like this one's a puzzle. It actually starts to sing here.
I like this.
No. Ooh, Disney Doorables.
Over here? No.
Don't know what series these. Oh, these are series 8. Here's the new set fidget controller. This is a new fidget controller. That's only at Walmart, I think.
Where do you see only at Walmart?
It doesn't say it anywhere, but I just know that I've just only found them at Walmart so far. These gears. The thing I don't like is that they don't make gear sounds, regular gear sounds. And then there are the buttons. Sliders, toys, a D-pad, joystick. For those who are into fidgets and gaming, here you go. You're gonna want this. I really like the blue one. Pop M's pencil case. It's like a Pop It pencil case. And then Pop It. Oops. This pencil cases fell off. Yeah. Check out these sugar bars, minis and minis. Yeah, they're like. Something happened to this. Like, the lid is off of it. I don't know. I'm like, where's the lid? Ooh. There's a lot of fidget stuff too. And a bunch of Pop-It stuff. Ooh, Shopkins Real Widows. Is that snack time? Yeah, it's snack time. I really like Real Widows. But I haven't really unboxed. What? What in the world? I just found a needle that's out of its box.
Wait, what?
Yeah, just randomly found it here. 40 Mini Bears collector's case. It says only at Walmart. That's how I know that that's only at Walmart. Are you able to hold my sugar bars?
Yeah, man, absolutely.
You can hold 2 of them, all. Oh, thanks.
I'll hold all 3, bro. Wait, you know what you're gonna get before you get it?
Yeah, because you could see one of the minis.
How many total come in? I like that you can see one.
Yeah. Codes 2 minis and 6 minis in minis. Ooh, Wolverines. 4 classic dice rolling risk taking game. And it's bopping. Ooh, magic 8 balls. Mini Rubik's Cubes and regular. Guys, Rubik's Race. Rubik's Connector Snake 2-pack. Wow. All these. Look at all those over there. There's Smashers. There's Rainbow Corns, Puppy Corn. Ooh, more Disney Doorables over here. There's Disney Doorables, Pixar Fast, Rivaling Royals, Stitch. Ooh, Disney Doorables, let's go. Real Widows. Ooh, Toy Story Tamagotchi. The Tamagotchi. And Tamagotchi Picks. Wow. And then Real Widows journals. Real Widows backpacks. Wow. Ooh, Disney Doorables Snow Whites. What? This Doorable has been opened? Wait, did someone steal Disney Doorable? And then Disney Doorable's Collector's Guide. Ooh. Wait, is this supposed to be squished? Are you supposed to squish this? And then a box of like Disney Doorable Series 8. I'm gonna fix this. Alright. Can't see the price tag. Oops. Just dropped 2 Doorables. Another open Doorable. This is a mystery. Oh, no. I'm dropping Disney Doorables everywhere. Ooh, more Disney Doorable stuff. Wow. Ooh, these Kill Bills. This new Dream Bright Bill. Wow, I've never heard of that. I Kill Bill. Wow, I've never heard of it. Togetherness Bill. Some of these I haven't heard of. Ooh, Kill Bill's mashups. Box is empty. This capsule is opened. What do people keep doing? This is Kill Bill Cubs. Ooh, Kill Bill Cubs. Needs to like, ooh, little Kill Bills. Got this harmonica. Tiny Etch-a-Sketch. World's favorite drum. Yo-yo ball. Infinity Dazzle Top. Whoa! It's vibrating the price tag. Oh my gosh.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Jeez. That's very aggressive.
There we go. I just stopped it. Just pop snaps. I just turned another. What are you doing?
Turning them all on.
Wait, we might get kicked out of Walmart for this. Wait, a micro book? Complete full-length comic books. Wow.
This one works really aggressively, and the other ones barely work. Now it's not spinning. There we go.
Hey, there's another one. It doesn't work. I have no idea how they can make this part spin. Wow.